Downstairs for a public request form. Please do not follow me. Please do not touch me. I did not do anything wrong. I was told to leave that courtroom and that was it. Please, dismissed. Please, please.
Let's go.
I'm going downstairs to request evidence. This court case is going to be pulled as evidence. And you do not have a body cam, sir. And the way that you are talking to me is out of line. I would like your badge number and your name.
My name is Dave Sider. My badge number is 420.
Thank you. And yours?
And you're out of line.
7, Eric Glazer.
Thank you, sir. I'm going to continue to handle my business. Please do not talk to me. Please do not talk to me. I'm going to continue to handle my business. He does not have a body cam, and he was just disrespecting me. This is insane. Can I have a public request form, please? A public request form? I need a public request form for evidence on the cameras of the building and the court case that I just had. Can I please have a public request form?
That'll be through the county clerk's office. They're room 115, the opposite court.
Can you please let these officers know that I need to go there? Because they're trying to stop me from conducting my business, and it's very rude that the way that they're talking to me. I will be filing a complaint. Who do I have to file that complaint with?
That'll be with the county clerk's office.
Thank you so much. Where is that again?
Room 115, diagonal across from us.
Thank you. I hope you know that anything she does is out of retaliation. She said the county clerk's office. Do you know where that's at? I forgot what it is. Hey, please don't touch me. I have to go to the county clerk's office. Where is that? Do you know? I have to ask her again. I forgot. You guys are making me... Where?
Right there in the corner.
Thank you so much. Because you guys are making me feel very uncomfortable. Do you guys have guns?
Yeah, we carry guns.
In the building?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Well, you're following me around with a gun and you're making me feel very uncomfortable. Right, but I'm saying this is why my nerves are all shot, because you're like, you have a gun and you're following me around. Hello. Oh, that was very nerve-wracking. I needed to request of records form. What's your name? I'm sorry.
My name is Lori, and you are looking for a records request?
Yes.
Okay, and what kind of records?
For the court hearing that just happened. I need the cameras and I need the audio.
Then you need to go to the clerk of circuit court, room 105, in the corner by the
105.
elevator.
Can you please tell these officers that I need to go there? Because they're harassing me and following me around and saying I have to leave the building.
I can't do anything about that at all.
No, it's very scary. They're just following me with their guns around.
Well,
I'm very scared right now. Like, I'm scared to walk around this building because they're following me around because the judge said I had to leave because I was strictly stating my case, and that's why I need the records, because she's gonna act out of being offended by my education. I have an education now. I may be a civilian, but I have an education now. I educated myself.
Sure. Well, the clerk of circuit court is where you need to go, and that's so if you go back across the hall, in the corner by the elevator, room 105.
Do you think you can walk me, please? I'm very scared, and I'm not gonna remember. I'm having a really bad panic attack. I'm really scared of these officers. And I've never been scared of officers before, not in the last 3 years.
Sure.
She says I have to go somewhere else, guys.
Okay, so he's looking for records, and we don't have them, so it would be the clerk.
You have to go over to the sheriff's department and get those what he's requesting.
Okay, is that what he is? Okay.
Yep.
So then if they're telling you that's where you have to go,
No,
then
there's
the
a
sheriff...
public records form that I need for the courthouse specifically. The clerk of courts may even have it. But I don't know. I need a public request form.
You need a public request form. You gotta go to our sheriff's department and ask for that.
Okay. Where's that at?
So the sheriff's department is the building behind the courthouse.
So it's outside.
You gotta go.
Okay, you guys are gonna stop following me if I go outside? Thank God. Okay. Well, just remember, those guns intimidate people. You can't talk to people that way.
Right over here.
So, okay. I'm non-violent, sir, and violence is never the answer, so you shouldn't. Not even through.
I appreciate that.
Just. Very uncomfortable. Thank you, officer. I appreciate your help. Thank you. Wow, that was the most scariest experience I ever had. All I was doing was stating that my point, and the judge was offended by my education. Yes, I'll admit, I'm not 100% educated on the law, but I know that a lot of things were done today out of personal and not based upon evidence. So now I'm walking down to the Sheriff's County Department to request a public forum for the court case that just happened. This is the most scariest experience of my life, and thank God I know the law. Hi, I need a public request form. A public request form
Okay, what do you need to request?
for a court video and camera and audio.
Oh, okay, sure.
I'm sorry, I'm just a bit shaken up because a couple officers were being a little aggressive and I wasn't acting any type of way for them to be, so I also need a couple complaint forms as well.
Okay. And this happened in the city here?
Yes, actually it happened right in the courtroom and everything's on film. What's your name and badge number just for record? I'm sorry.
My name's Christine.
Christine? And are you an officer or just a dispatcher?
I'm a clerical worker.
Okay.